What if one tiny financial habit could turn just $100 into more than $1 million? Most people think becoming a millionaire means a six-figure salary. They're wrong, and the truth is almost embarrassingly simple. Here's what everyone assumes about getting rich. You need a huge income, you need to take big risks, or you just need to get lucky. None of that is true. The real secret isn't about doing something huge. It's about doing something small, consistently, for a long time. That's the 1% rule. And it's why some people build massive wealth starting with almost nothing. Let's say you invest just $100 today, and then add $100 every single month into an index fund, averaging a 10% annual return. In 10 years, that's not much, maybe $20,000. But here's what most people never realize. Leave that same money alone for 40 years, and it turns into over $600,000. Bump your monthly contribution up by just 1% every year, and that number pushes past $1 million. Same habit, same $100 start. The only difference is time. So what actually is the 1% rule? It just means small, consistent improvements compound into massive results. You don't need to double your income. You don't need to find some secret stock. You just need to invest a little, increase it slightly over time, and let compound interest do the heavy lifting. Compound interest means your money earns returns, and then those returns start earning returns too. It snowballs, slowly at first, then fast. Now this is where almost everyone makes a costly mistake. They wait. They think, I'll start investing once I make more money. But the next number changes everything. Someone who invests $100 a month starting at age 25 ends up with more money at retirement than someone who invests $300 a month starting at age 35. Less money, more time, bigger result. Time is the one advantage money can't buy back. And here's the part that surprises most investors. You don't need to pick winning stocks or time the market. You just need to stay consistent. Missing the 10 best days in the market over 20 years can cut your total returns in half. So the goal isn't to be brilliant. The goal is to not stop. Here's what this means for you. Start investing even if it's only $100. Whenever you get a raise, increase your contribution by just 1%. Don't try to time the market. Just stay consistent and let compound interest work in the background. You don't become wealthy because of one big decision. You become wealthy because of hundreds of small ones. If you got value from this, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, what's one 1% improvement you're going to make with your money starting today?